Hello friends, welcome back to CIVILDEPTH-BD. Today I will show you how we can model arch shape window in SketchUp. At first we have to take a rectangle. By default it is trying to create a rectangle in the horizontal direction, but we need this in vertical direction. So I have used the left arrow key on keyboard. Now I will input its dimension 100 feet, comma 20 feet, enter. Okay, now I will use tape measure tool. From here I am taking a distance of 5 feet. This is for wall. Now I will take a guideline for 6 feet. This is for the window. Now from here I will draw a line up to this point. Again I will select the line and I will take a copy. Now I will model a arc here. So go to 2-point arc, first point, second point, and the arc. Okay, we don't need these guidelines anymore. So go to edit, delete guides. We can make it more smoother. So from here I will use number of segment. This is kind of 30. Now this one is smoother. Select the face, then go to offset command. Here I will take a offset of kind of 2 inches or 2.5 inches, enter. For the bottom side I will, okay, so basically I need to delete this line. Okay, so we can erase this one. Okay, so this is the shape of our window. Fine. Now we can make this one a group, and we can, okay, this is for a kind of 2 inches. We can make a group for this window panel or window class, make group. Then we can give it a thickness like 0.5 or something, 0.5, enter. Fine. Now what will I do? I will place a window material for this portion. Fine. Take a copy of this panel, take a copy, go to move tool, press Ctrl in keyboard. Okay, now again select the window panel, go to move tool, press Ctrl in keyboard, then select the point and make some copies. Suppose we need 4 more window. Okay, fine. Here we can create another window actually. Control, like this. Fine. Now what will I do? I will delete the objects. Now for these panels there is no glass, right? Now select the portion, take copy here, and manually place them. 4x, enter. But for the last one we have to, for this one we have the glass panel, for the last one we have to do copy this manually. Okay, fine. Now come to the point. Before going to the point I will save the model. Save. I will save this one in desktop, suppose here. Now draw a circle here. Draw a circle. I will draw a circle. Now from the circle we have to select the midpoint. Okay. No, I don't think this is divided into equal 2 parts. So Ctrl Z. At first I will increase the segment here. Suppose this is 100. Fine. Now try to snap its midpoint. Okay. Okay. Now we can delete this part. And these also. Select them. Don't need to weld them. They are in a combined condition already. Now, what we have to do? At first, we have to give a thickness to this wall. So make this one a group and pull this one up to 5 or 10 inches as per your requirement, right? Then make them a single group. Make them a simple or single group, right? Right click of mouse, make group, then draw a line. Draw a line. This line should be parallel to the red axis. Okay. Now what will I do? I will select the whole object. Then I will go to shape bender tool. From here I will select shape bender. Fine. At first I have to select the line which is parallel to this red axis. Okay. Then we have to select the arc. Okay, you can see that we have prepared one side. Okay, we have prepared one side of our model. Okay, now this is not looking good enough. We need to increase the radius because this is looking much stiff, or you can say let's delete this portion. We need to model a circle again. Okay, then do the same thing. At first increase the segment for up to 100. Then we don't need, this is the center. From center I have drawn a line, and from here again I open. Let's see what happens this time. Procedure is definitely same. Okay, at first I will select this group, then I will go to shape bender tool, then select the line, then select this arc. Okay, it's this time it's very fantastic. Now what we have to do, we just select the object, then make a copy here, make a copy, and we have to flip this one, right? So flip along the green axis. It's done. Okay, now select the object, from this point to this point, and you can see that we have model earth shape window in SketchUp. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.